London's air ambulance works within the M25, providing to the citizens of London care for approximately 10 million people that live and work inside that radius. At London's air ambulance, when the klaxon goes off and a patient needs us, every second counts. Our helicopter is targeted to launch in 3 minutes. Power Apps gives us the reassurance that all of our kit is ready to go when we're needed. In terms of our medical kit, we carry basically all the kit that is required to care for a critically injured trauma patient. So pretty much everything you have in the emergency department or an ICU, all of that fits in various packs that we carry with us to scene. So keeping track of all this kit is essential, but also very difficult. So we introduced the QR codes to be able to easily scan equipment into the Power Apps and track where all of our equipment is. It's been surprisingly easy to introduce the Power Platform into our organization. With the help of Intelligy, they got us up and running, and now we have our people using it themselves. We're creating our own Power Apps, we're introducing Power Automate, and we're doing our own reporting with Power BI.
Intelligy is a UK Gold partner specializing in Microsoft 365 and Power Platform. Our mission is to enable organizations to realize the potential of their investment in Microsoft technology. We really saw three main areas of work with London's Air Ambulance. First, by understanding their wider digital strategy, we were able to articulate and demonstrate where Power Platform can really make a difference. Secondly, at a more practical level, we were able to examine their first set of app requirements and come up with a solution design that could be applied consistently across all the checklists that staff perform on a regular basis. And finally, and most crucially of all, we ensured that staff at London's Air Ambulance were able to take on both the day-to-day management of these apps, but also start building their own apps using those initial designs as a set of blueprints or guidelines. This empowerment for citizen development has sparked ideas for future opportunities to automate other processes at both the personal and team level.
The Power Platform has enabled the team to digitise checklists, moving away from whiteboard and pen. They can keep an up-to-date inventory of the medical equipment in their helicopters and cars to save them time in an emergency and support supply replenishment. They've got everything that they need when they need it most. The Power Platform provides a visual way to build applications, workflows and dashboards using very much a point-and-click approach. Everyone can turn their bright ideas into absolutely amazing applications. Built on the Common Data Service, London Air Ambulance staff have access to a single source of data truth through their mobile phones from anywhere. They're really modernising processes to provide a greater standard of care to the people of London.